Olá, bem-vindo a mais uma aula de inglês. Hoje veremos o tema futuro com be going to. Na verdade, nós temos várias maneiras de expressar o futuro em inglês. Nós já vimos o will, hoje veremos be going to. Veremos nas formas afirmativa, negativa e interrogativa. Antes, vamos ver alguns verbos. Buy, know, sell, drive, drink, eat, speak, see, cook. Então, forma afirmativa, futuro com be going to. Vamos relembrar o verbo to be? Porque nós vamos utilizar o verbo to be para expressar o futuro com be going to. Na verdade, na fórmula, já nós encontramos o be going to, ou seja, nós usamos o verbo to be. I am, eu sou ou eu estou. You are, você é, você está. He is, ele é, ele está. She is, ela é, ela está. It is, ele ou ela é, ele ou ela está. Para objetos ou neutro. Vamos utilizar a seguinte fórmula. To be mais going to mais o verbo. Então, grave bem essa fórmula. To be mais going to mais o verbo. Vamos lá. I am mais going to mais o verbo travel. Então, ficou assim. I am going to travel. Eu irei viajar. I am going to travel. Então, I am é o verbo to be. O going é o verbo go com ing. E o verbo travel. I am going to visit New York City. I am going to visit New York City. Eu posso dizer das duas maneiras. I am going to visit New York City ou I'm going to visit New York City. Nesse caso, nós contraímos o verbo to be. Ao invés de usar como I am, nesse caso, I'm. Na verdade, o significado é o mesmo. Porém, na forma, principalmente no inglês falado, nós utilizamos mais a forma contraída. I'm going to study English. I'm going to study English in the United States. I'm going to study English in the United States. He's going to study abroad. He's going to study abroad. Ou he's going to study abroad. He's going to study abroad. She is going to make a cake. She is going to make a cake. Ou she's going to make a cake. She's going to make a cake. I'm going to stay home. I'm going to stay home. Susan is going to make the dinner. Susan is going to make the dinner. John is going to buy a new car. John is going to buy a new car. It is going to rain today. It is going to rain today. Ou it's going to rain today. It's going to rain today. Irá chover hoje, ou no português do dia a dia nós normalmente falamos vai chover hoje. I'm going to buy a pizza. I'm going to buy a pizza. Forma negativa. Para passar uma sentença para a forma negativa, usamos a partícula not logo após o verbo. No caso, logo após o verbo to be. Então, nossa fórmula é o to be not, To be not. Perceba que agora nós introduzimos o not ao verbo to be. To be not, mais o going to, mais um verb. Então, I am not going to, I am not going to travel. I am not going to travel. Eu não irei viajar. Ou, I'm not going to visit New York. I'm not going to visit New York. I'm not going to study English. I'm not going to study English in the United States. I'm not going to study English in the United States. He's not going to study abroad. He's not going to study abroad. She's not going to make a cake. She's not going to make a cake. I'm not going to stay home. I'm not going to stay home. Susan is not going to make the dinner. Susan is not going to make the dinner. Susan isn't going to make the dinner. Susan isn't going to make the dinner. Perceba que nesse caso nós podemos contrair. Ao invés de dizer Susan is not going, podemos utilizar a forma contraída. Susan isn't going. Susan isn't going to make the dinner. John isn't going to buy a new car. John isn't going to buy a new car. It is not going to rain today. It is not going to rain today. Ou, it's not going to rain today. It's not going to rain today. I'm not going to buy a pizza. I'm not going to buy a pizza. Vamos ver o verbo to be na forma interrogativa. Are you? Você é ou você está? Is he? Ele é, ele está? Is she? Ela é, ela está? Is it? Ele ou ela é, ele ou ela está? Então, na forma interrogativa, nós utilizamos o verbo to be na forma interrogativa, mais o going to e mais um verbo. Então, are you going to travel? Perceba que nesse caso o verbo to be ele vem primeiro, porque nós invertemos para fazer pergunta. Are you going to travel? Is he going to travel? Is he going to travel? Is she going to travel? Is he going to study abroad? Is he going to study abroad? Is she going to make a cake? 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 Is John going to buy a new bike? Is John going to buy a new bike? Are you going to stay home tonight? Are you going to stay home tonight? Vamos para alguns exercícios. Passe as sentenças para a forma negativa. I'm going to visit London. I'm going to visit London. Forma negativa. I'm not going to visit London. I'm not going to visit London. Mike is going to study abroad. Mike is going to study abroad. Mike is not going to study abroad. Mike is not going to study abroad. She's going to work in New Jersey. She's going to work in New Jersey. She's not going to work in New Jersey. She's not going to work in New Jersey. Forma interrogativa. You are going to buy a pizza. You are going to buy a pizza. Ou seja, você irá comprar uma pizza. Forma interrogativa. Are you going to buy a pizza? Are you going to buy a pizza? Lembrando que para fazer perguntas, nesse caso, sempre que nós utilizamos o verbo to be, nós invertemos, ou seja, para transformar uma oração, uma sentença na forma interrogativa, nós colocamos o verbo to be na frente da sentença ou da frase. Are you going to buy a pizza? Susan is going to wash the dishes. Susan is going to wash the dishes. Is Susan going to wash the dishes? Is Susan going to wash the dishes? Bob is going to pay the bill. Bob is going to pay the bill. Is Bob going to pay the bill? Is Bob going to pay the bill? Chegamos ao final de mais uma aula de inglês. Bons estudos e até a próxima aula.